Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Shopify payments login problems. Account verification helps step by step clearly. Open an incognito or private browser window to rule out saved session issues. Type your store admin URL manually and make sure it ends with /admin. Confirm you are using the correct email address associated with the Shopify store owner or staff account. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and reset it using the email inbox of that account. Check your email for Shopify security codes and enter them quickly before they expire. If you do not receive the code, check spam, promotions, and blocked sender lists in your mail settings. Turn off VPN or proxy temporarily because it can trigger security blocks during login. Clear browser cache and cookies for Shopify.com. Then restart the browser. Try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari to eliminate extension conflicts. Disable ad blockers and privacy extensions that can block Shopify authentication pages. Make sure your device date and time are set to automatic because incorrect time breaks verification codes. Log into Shopify admin. Then go to Settings and open Payments. Click Shopify Payments and check for any banner asking for identity or business verification. Click Complete Account Setup or Submit Documents and read the exact requirements shown on screen. Prepare a clear government-issued photo ID that matches the account owner name in Shopify. Prepare a proof of address document like a utility bill or bank statement dated within the accepted period. If you are a business, prepare company registration documents that match your legal business name. Verify that your Shopify store legal name, address, and tax details match your documents exactly. Upload documents as high-resolution color images and ensure all four corners are visible. Avoid screenshots of PDFs if Shopify requests the original PDF upload, and follow the file type rules. Double-check that your document is not expired and that the name is not cut off by glare or blur. After uploading, save changes and wait for the verification status to update in Settings and Payments. If you see more information required, open the request and upload the exact missing item only. If your login is blocked, complete Shopify security check and then wait the specified cooldown time. For repeated login failures, reset your password again and remove any password manager autofill errors. Ensure your staff permissions include payments access, or ask the store owner to grant the required role. If the issue continues, contact Shopify support from help, Shopify.com, and provide screenshots of the error and your store URL. Keep your payout bank details consistent with your business identity to prevent verification loops. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.